Hi everyone, it's Pastor Tom coming to you from the church kitchen for an object lesson. Today, how can I forget? Happy Easter. I hope you're all having a wonderful Easter Sunday together or remotely as we all get through this the best that we can. This past week, the boys were on spring break, so it's been an extra fun week, and we hit the books again on Monday. As I'm sure many of you are going to do the same, or maybe you're having spring break this week. But I hope you're all doing really well, and I miss you all very, very much. So today for our object lesson, we're going to think about why it is Jesus had to come and save us. Why did we need an Easter at all? And to help us understand that, I have this vase of water. Now, this vase of water is representative of our life. Our life is good. It's clean, it's pure, it's healthy, it's good. Until something comes along called sin. And sin can come in a lot of ways. If we were all together, I'd ask you for some, and I'm sure you'd give me answers like not telling the truth, being mean to someone, sometimes we can sin or do the wrong thing by not just doing bad things, but not doing good things. Maybe we don't share when we have enough and somebody doesn't have enough. Sin can come in so many ways. And once it does, as you can see, it starts to spread all throughout our life. Not one part of our life isn't affected by it. Our relationship with God, our relationship with each other, until all of a sudden, our life isn't so clean anymore. And that's why Jesus came. He came to fix this problem. He came to save us from sin. Sunday school, like I joke around a lot. If you get asked a question, a very good answer most of the time is Jesus. And in this case, Jesus is the answer. Jesus comes into our life gives us all of himself. Let's wait and see what happens with that. Even though we're in very different and difficult times, we need to remember, especially on Easter, why Jesus came. I know things are different. I miss not being with all of you. But we need to remember why Jesus came. He came because he loves us. That's first. He came to this world also to show us the right way to live. Jesus showed us how to be kind and compassionate, to care about people, to take care of those that are in need, to show us that the most important things in life are relationships, our relationship with each other, and our relationship with God. Everything else is nice. Our toys, our games, our food, those things are all great, but they're not the most important things in life. Relationships are. So Jesus showed us that in the way that he lived. Not only that, Jesus gave his life for us. That's what we remember on Good Friday, which was just a couple days ago. I hope you took some time with your families, even if it was just a few minutes, to think about it and reflect on what Jesus did for us and how incredible a sacrifice that was. That he gave himself up for you and for me and for this whole entire world and everyone that will ever and has ever lived in it. That's a remarkable thing. But Jesus didn't just show us how to live, and he didn't just die for us. He rose for us as well. One of the great old hymns says, "Because he lives, I can face tomorrow. Because he lives, all fear is gone." I don't know if all fear is gone, but fear is certainly, we're able to face the troubles of life. Life isn't always easy. And I'm not even just talking about what's going on in our world right now. Even when we get through this, and we will, there's still going to be hard days and hard times, but Jesus is with us through every single one of those difficult things. That's what Easter is all about. That's what makes Easter so wonderful. That's why we celebrate it in such a big, special way, even if we have to do it while we're apart. Let's check in on our life here, shall we? Look how much brighter and cleaner that is. In fact, if I left that sitting even longer, it would get even lighter, even clearer. But you can see this entire vessel was dark and dirty with sin. And by his power, Jesus can clean us up just like this vase is brighter than it was before. That's the beauty of Easter. That's what Easter is all about. Have a very happy and blessed Easter with your loved ones. Love you all, and I hope you're doing well. He is risen. He is risen indeed.